This question, we are given a statement from which we have to write a resultant inequality and then solve that inequality for the variable, in this case, x. So we have a number is doubled to begin. So if a number is doubled, then that would imply that that number has been multiplied by 2. And it's then decreased by 9. So what we're looking at is subtracting 9 from that number. And it says the result is less than 7. So what numbers are possible? Well, we see we have a variable of x defined here, so that's what we'll use. So we know that we've doubled x, so that's 2 times x. From there, we know that we've decreased it by 9. So we've got 2x minus 9, and that result has to be less than 7. So from here, we now need to isolate the x variable and solve for x. So we've got minus 9, which means we'll add 9 because that's the inverse operation of subtraction. But if we do it to that side, we got to do it to that side. So I have 2x is less than 16. From there, I'm multiplying by 2. Inverse operation of multiplying by 2 is to divide both sides by 2 here. Doing that, I get a value of x on the left-hand side, and that value of x is less than 8. So the numbers that would be possible for the given situation would be values of x that are less than 8, and that corresponds to an answer of D here.